Understanding integers. Integers include positive numbers, negative numbers, and zero. A number line shows all integers, with negative numbers on the left, positive numbers on the right, and zero in the middle. The green numbers represent positive integers, starting from 1 and increasing to the right. The red numbers represent negative integers, starting from -1 and decreasing to the left. Logically, the number 0 is neither positive nor negative. It sits in the center of the number line. We move right for positive steps and left for negative steps. Moving 3 steps forward. Moving 2 more steps forward. Moving 4 steps backward. Moving 1 step forward. Moving 3 steps backward. Thank you for watching. Hope you enjoyed learning about integers.